Every time, wire me money. Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. Yo, Fekolo, show Bamula, yeah. Olomoge, you be scammer. I dey follow you for back. Baby, you blow my mind, I no go lie. See, baby, if you want to leave for Piccoli, no do shakara.
Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a wig with a closure step by step. The hair I will be using is from ISEE Hair, www.iseehair.com, and there I will be using their water wave to make this wig. You can see the hair came with a pamphlet how to care and co-wash the hair. And it also came with a wig cap. You can see the coils, water wave, a very pretty coils. You guys will see the finished look later. And I will be using a closure to make this wig. And then this is their free part closure. To start, I will be using a dome cap. I will just place the closure on the center of the dome cap. I will first of all sew the both sides before I will sew the center. You guys will see. Just follow up with this video. If I am done sewing down the first side, and I will sew down the second side like this before I will just close the middle space. You can see this is how it looks, and I'm going to double the weft. I will just start to do normal flip over method of sewing, which I already have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel showing you guys step by step how to do flip over method. The inches is 24 while the closure is 20 inches. just knot the last thread just for the wig to secure, and we'll cut off the excess thread. I will cut off the excess dome cap from the space of the closure. Also go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And then if you want, you can also sew in an elastic band to the wig. And I will try to style the wig just like take a little bit of baby hairs, use a razor blade to trim, and just like style it like this. This is how it looks. The wig is very pretty. What I will do now, I will just go ahead and co-wash the wig. I already have a lot of videos how I usually co-wash my curly wigs. When I co-washed the wig, you can see the coils looking very pretty. And then this is the finished look of the wig. You can see the prettiness, the coils popping, and the very pretty wig. If you want coils that will be easier for you to maintain, I will advise you to go for water wave. If you spray in water on water wave hair, the coils will be popping. I ended up using 4 bundles and a closure, 4 24 inches and a closure of 20 inches. Don't forget to also check some of my hair tutorial videos out. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video on this channel, because a lot of people are complaining that they are not getting notifications if I upload a video on this channel. Try to just hit the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video on this channel. Don't forget that this hair is from www.iseehair.com. They have their own website, which I will put the details in the description box below. And then this is their water wave hair. I use their 24 inches and a closure of 20 inches. Details of this hair will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed a few minutes, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.